Hey guys, start with Y here. Ipagpatuloy natin yung pag-aaral ng colors natin with some additional list of colors in Japanese. Then, like in the previous videos, I have a challenge for you at the end, so stick around. Are you ready for the list here in part 2? Pink, pink. Beige, beige. Bronze, bronze. Turquoise, turquoise. Lilac, lilac. Gray, gray. Dark green, dark green. Katakana ang gamit natin ngayon versus hiragana in part 1 since borrowed words from foreign languages ito that the native Japanese vocabulary does not have. So, my challenge for you today is choose one color you like and one color you dislike and write your answers in the comment section using the phrase color wa suki desu for I like color and color wa kirai desu for I dislike color.